Hey guys, welcome to my channel Decode as well. Today we're going to discuss about Git Submodules. Before we going to talk about that, we want to know why Git Submodules. Git Submodules will be handy in case of if you want to maintain a common set of codes across a different repository, or else if you want to consume the some other repository codes inside your repository. In that time, we can go for Git Submodules. Let's say we have a organization which have a multiple front-end applications like admin, website, back office, and so on and so forth. If you want to maintain the same set of UI components on style sheets across all the repository, we can go for a Git submodules. Okay, let's demonstrate that in codes. I already created one UI book repository. It's a very simple storybook which has a simple button component. Okay, so I want to create a one repository and utilize this storybook UIs uh, inside that repository. Okay, let me create a new repository here. Okay, I'm creating it. Now I'm creating the sample front end code. Let's initiate the Git inside the newly created project. Try to add a remote repository. This repository. So now we can check it out. This is npm install is gone. Let's run this application. So it runs on. Nothing complicated, just a simple React application. Okay. Now I want to add UI book repository inside this admin repository. So for that we have to just go to repository and get the link for that. Here what I have to do is simple git submodule add and link of the repository. That's it. Now you can use the UI book all the components inside your admin repository. Let's go to here. We refresh it. You can see the UI book has been come to here, right? If we create a submodules, there are two important files will be created: UI book and as well as Git submodule. Make sure you have to commit these two files. Suppose if you don't mean, the submodule creation will be end up in failure. Okay, make sure you commit this first. Okay, later we commit this. Okay, let's publish this branch. The codes are pushed to the GitHub. You can see like with a different in a UI. These represent the submodules with the commit ID. If you click on it, it won't have a codes inside. It will point to the UI book live repository. Okay, but inside your local, you can have a entire code of it. Okay, this is how we have to create. Suppose if you clone the submodules if you have to do some different commands. Let's clone this application. Now if we clone it, we don't have any code inside the UI book. To initiate the submodels, we have to run a different codes. That is also very simple code only, not a. This command will help us to bring the all the code, whichever the commit ID which is pointed here. Okay. So all the codes are you can able to view it here. So I want to use a UI book component inside the admin repository. Just open the source. Yes. So we have to import that component which is inside the UI book. Go to here, yeah, you can see that button is complete coming from the UI book component. Yeah, that's it. So this is how we have to use the Git submodules. Thanks for watching. Keep support. Thank you.